Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming control of the machine hosting Minecraft. Open Command Prompt and run ipconfig to capture the server's IP4 address. This is your local address on the LAN. Make sure you also note the server port, default 25,565, and verify the host firewall or Windows Defender allows incoming traffic on that port. Once done, you'll use this local IP for router configuration. Keep it visible and static, so the address doesn't change after a reboot. Next, you log into your router's admin interface to forward the game port to the server's local IP. Create a port forwarding rule mapping WAN port 25,565 to the server's IP4 at the same port. This routes external Minecraft traffic to your machine. Then assign a static DHCP lease or set a static IP on the server so the mapping remains valid. Once the rule is saved, and the router reboots if needed, your server will accept connections from outside your local network. Finally, retrieve your public IP from the router's WAN or Internet status page. That number combined with the port is what players will enter. Provide players the address public IP 25,565, omit 25,565 only if you use the default port explicitly. Test by connecting from a different network or ask a friend to join. If they can't connect, check the port forwarding rule. Confirm the server process is listening on 25,565 and ensure the host firewall isn't blocking that port. Those 3 fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.